a note, we need to update state.notes and take one out of there, right? So let's just add one called remove, a method that is called remove current note. Set that to an arrow function. We are going to be changing this.state.notes, so we'll make a copy of it. We'll work on the copy, and then we'll update the state. And again, this is just like writing this. If the variable name happens to be the same as the key, then you can use this shorthand. So how do you completely remove a key from an object? Yep. That won't quite do what we need in this case.
I was trying to use...
Undefined will be the value, but it'll still be that what?
I was trying to use delete, but didn't get it to work out.
Okay, so if we use delete, if I have like whatever. And I say delete meals.breakfast. That does it. That removes that key completely. So the question is, what's the key? It's the ID of the current note, right?
So note.id.
So we need the current note ID, right? This.state.current note .id.
Oh, okay.
So if we say delete notes bracket that, let's create one. Let's create another one. I like to always create 3 and delete the middle one. Maybe those shouldn't be so similar. Check this one. Oh, but yeah, I didn't do that. Yeah, let's look in our dev tools. So you could try to drill down in here and find the note component, or you could search. There's a little search box in the React Dev Tools. Very handy. There you go. Note. Okay, this is this one. Highlights it on the page for me. And the key is this. The main thing is I just need it to be the current note, right? Okay. So I want $R to be app. $R dot remove current note. Bulleted. Still in the form though. If I make any changes, it'll come back. Why? Go ahead. Right, the form gets it from current note, and we updated the list, but we did not update current note. So this dot reset current note. Yeah.
How exactly is delete note different than just setting it to undefined? Just set in the console that it became undefined.
Let's look at that. Maybe it works. There it is. Set it to undefined.
I mean, it doesn't work on mine in this case.
Oh yeah, it doesn't work. I mean, so that key will just point at the value undefined, but the key will still be there. So let's add it. Let's add some stuff. Add another one. Add another one. This one is now current note. If I call, make sure app is highlighted, $R. Remove current note. Explode. Cannot read property title of undefined. So current note will be, it'll still be there, but the value will be undefined, which means it'll try to say undefined.title, which doesn't work. We don't want it to be undefined, we want it to be gone. Need to actually delete it, not just point it at nothingness. So the value undefined as opposed to just being undefined. Yeah. Okay, so delete works in a vacuum. We want it to work when we click the button, right? So remove current note. Let's add that to our list of actions. This dot remove current note. That takes it down to main. From main, we want to pass it on to note form, right? Props dot remove current note. I did say this, yeah. Takes us down to note form. Here's our delete button. Say on click equals this dot props dot remove current note. Right? Make some notes. Deleted, and the form is clear. Right?
So, random question. Since the ID is based on the date, every time you add something to a note and then you submit it again, is it changing the ID?
No, because in app, in save note, before we set the ID, we check to make sure that it doesn't already have an ID.
Oh, okay.
If the ID is already there, we just leave it alone. Yeah.
So I ran into this problem. I don't know about like our code secret and all, but if you try to delete an empty note at first, isn't it gonna cause an error? Is it gonna try to pass in note?
Let's make a blank note. Delete. It is not doing that thing to me. Yours had an error?
Yeah, I mean, I fixed it, but
Yeah, why doesn't it? Oh, did you use delete though?
yeah.
Um.
It's probably just some small thing that's
Okay. Yeah. Okay. So now we can delete notes.